Spray hard fruity panda, keeping it clean. CM builds torque, stacking turbo dream. KJT tunes, Terry maps on the track. Burger, motorsports, much boost, got your back. Boosted dreams, we're flying high. From Denver streets to the midnight sky. 303 Panda, KJT, Terry maps.
What's up, guys? Just got my CM builds primary catless. Just do a little unboxing for you guys. Been waiting for this. Here's my fat dog, Kato, sniffing it out, making sure it's not a bomb. What is it? Did they put a treat in there or something for you? Nah, it's only for me. Yo, get my ass in this, Mom. Nice. Well packaged. What do we got here? Snap. Oh yeah. This is pretty sick. It'd be cooler if it was a stinger though. Nice. Thank you, CM. Let's see, we got some gaskets. Dope. I like gaskets, especially new ones where I don't have to reuse old ones. Definitely packaged very well. And more bubble wrap. Just kidding. Not really. By the way, this is like all my Christmas presents to myself. These are like 30 times lighter than the OEM ones. Gee. That is sick. Good quality. CM builds. And then the inside is all welded versus others where it's not even welded. OT sensors. Nice. Oh, the Lego set. By the way, the Lego sets are my wife's, not mine. Just as expensive as car parts. Just saying. No, a little scratchy there.
I don't want to talk shit and you don't need my help to do this, do you?
What did you say?
If you want to keep talking shit and you don't need my help to do this.
I believe they call this Cerakoting, so then it's heat resistant or keep the temperatures a lot cooler. It's great. Oh yeah. Sick. Shout out to CM Builds for hooking me up. They have primaries catted that still needs to be bought. He has a few of those. He sold out of the catless ones. But I have a pair that I would sell you for $2,500 if anybody's interested. But if not, go get some at cmbuilds.com for the primary catted versions. And they're also doing the Ray-Ban Meta glasses as a giveaway. So get yourself entered in that. Thanks for checking this video out. Also, shout out to KJT for getting good quality parts and recommending the CM builds. He's going to be out here next week for the hybrid install on a couple of stingers here in Colorado. But also check his website out to kimjungtunedperformance.com. I'll leave some links below in the description. Thanks, guys.
Burger Motorsports, CM builds, much boost in the crew. KJT flashes, bulletproof builds, back end tuned, pushing max skills. Much boost turbo, spooling locked in. CM builds forged, let the race begin. With the 3.5 TT upgrade, set it free. Terry Maps dialed horsepower.